Okay, so hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. Okay, want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description for personal readings and healing sessions. Links are given below, and for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the master class is given below. Link is given below. So let's start. Let's see what are the 7 messages for the 7 days for Aries people from the Osho Zen Tarot. Let's see. We have the 27th January as the outsider. So Aries, nobody is kind of forcing you to be an outsider. You yourself is creating those kind of scenarios in your mind that you might end up feeling like an outsider in your own house, maybe in your own office, maybe. It's like the kid can go out, the lock is not closed, the lock is not locked actually. He can yeah, there are obstacles and challenges. You can overcome that because you have the capacity to do that, but you might be feeling you can't change anything, you can't do anything, but you can. Feeling like an outsider is your own energy. It's not coming from the outside thing, it's coming from the inside. 28th, we have the projections. So you might have the tendency to see people, things, and situations for what they are not, what they are portraying you to be. But there are certain things that you might not be able to see right now. So you are you should be highly aware of what people are not telling you, or don't go according to people's face values. Try to understand their motives, try to understand their plans, try to understand their manipulations. Okay. 29th, we have the change. So change is the only constant, honey. Something in your life is will start shifting in a totally different direction than you were anticipating it to be. Now if you are going to resist the change, you are the only one who is going to be harmed by this, right? Try to understand the point here, go with the flow, and keep on reminding yourself change is the only constant, and it's happening for your highest good. Okay. 30th, we have the breakthrough. On the 30th of January, you are going to find a problem, find a solution to a problem that you are facing from quite a long time now. It's a breakthrough period where you will be having an aha moment of, oh my god, I found a solution to a problem that I was facing from quite a long time now. So breakthrough period on the 30th of January. 31st, we have the ripeness. So something is coming to fruition, and you will be able to get the results of your hard work finally. It's like maybe a promotion, or maybe a salary hike, or maybe another job, or maybe another career opportunity. Take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. Something is coming to fruition in a very beautiful way. Now you can use it for your own good. Hmm? Use this ripeness. Very good. Okay. Now, the 1st of Feb, we have the existence. The more you are going to stay in tune with the existence, the more you are going to stay truthful and honest with yourself and with the universe, you will be able to realize that the whole existence is with you, and the whole existence is in fact within you. So it's all about staying true to your own self and understanding. The more you are going to stay in tune with your inner self, the more your outer self is going to become beautiful, blissful, and positive. It's all about existence. It's all about realizing you are the part of existence. Existence is the part of you. You guys are not different. Very deep, very meaningful. But once you get the hold of it, you will be definitely able to understand the point here sooner or later, right? Second, we have the burden. So don't take unnecessary works. Don't take responsibility of other people's work as well. So the more you are going to take unnecessary burden, the more you are going to feel burdensome, the more you are going to feel heavy on the chest. It's you taking life step by step, one day at a time kind of a deal. And do not take unnecessary burden that you will not be able to handle. So basically, don't take too much on your plate that you will not be able to finish. Otherwise, you are the one who responsible for this kind of burdensome and heavy energy weighing you down. Nobody else, right? Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.